This is the prototype camping one-person stove I've made. I'm going to show you how I made this. This is in two parts, and you can make this out of anything, a heavy-duty tin or even a cut-down can. And so it's simply all steel housing, 3 bolts with washers so nothing leaks. You can see that on the inside. And then to cook, you're just gonna put your heat up tin or mess kit cup right on there. And you can tell by my hand how small this is. Perfect for backpacking or kayaking or camping. Portable, lightweight. And the 3 bolts are cut off just below the heads and ground them off. No sharp edges or burrs. This would fit right in your pocket. Fuel types are at your discretion. You could use alcohol, trioxane, charcoal bits, small pieces of wood, what have you. Work perfectly. In a later video I'm going to do a live fire on this and show you just how this works. Thanks for watching. Please click like.